Good morning. You joined me today. We're about to do this flight of stairs.
Can you treat me like somebody? I don't want just anybody.
Let's shed some light on the matter.
Let me treat you like somebody. Try to dive on a Rari. This forever we ain't stopping. You the life of the party. Oh, dog. My blood pressure don't need no straw.
Let's strip back the stairs. See the condition of the underlay.
Inside the lobby, it's a girl I want for life right beside me. Stuck together through whatever, like we signed me. She ain't slow type, I keep telling her to try me. Keep it on the low, but I'm falling for you.
Right, before we start fitting, we're gonna hoover up and then we shall crack on. Now that we've done that, we should go and cut the carpet, start fitting on the stairs. Now this is what we call a stair tool. And this is what I'm going to use to fit the stairs. With of course my trusted hammer. What I'm doing here is making sure that the carpet is on the stairs straight. Making sure there's enough carpet to go up onto the riser. And once I'm happy that the carpet is straight and that there is enough carpet to go on the riser, I then use a touch of a spray adhesive on the first 2 steps. And then we're good to go.
I don't want just anybody. Can you treat me like somebody? I don't want just anybody.
Now, what we do is we hold the stair tool like that. And you go down. Always remember to start from the middle, which is there, and you work either to the left or to the right.
It's a girl I want for life right beside me. Stuck together through whatever, like we signed me. She ain't slow type, I keep telling her to try me. Keep it on the low, but I'm falling for you high key. Check off every box, gotta do it like Nike. Ooh, that girl, them my dad. When she walk by,
And you send your edges down. And you repeat the process. And when you go down, come down. Making sure you see the carpet jump there. Then we go in. And we're seated properly. Tuck your edges down.
Can't go back, I know that. You got dirt, don't
There you go, we're just about done with this one. If you find this video helpful at all, like, share and subscribe, comments down below, check out my other videos. Apply that pressure, don't need no scrub. Shawty special, I need your love. Need your love, need your love. Let me treat you like somebody. Dirty job on a Rari. This forever, we ain't stopping. No doubt. Apply that pressure, don't need no scrub.